police arrested a gang of people who were in extorting money from the management of Diners Paradise. Now, the police from Khadri police station have arrested the accused based on CCTV footage. Now, the culprit Santosh, along with 8 youth, harassed the owner of the hotel, Wahid, by dropping the names of people of the Mangalore underworld and extorting money from him. Santosh Raj, along with his friends, used to come to the hotel and binge on the food. He later never paid the bills and extorted money from them. Well, for more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Varghese. Varghese, can you explain what exactly is happening over there?
Well, this particular group that was headed by a person called Santosh Raj used to come to this place called Diners Paradise in Nolan. And once they came over there, what they did is they used to order huge quantities of food and binge on it. When the bill was first given to them, they would say that Annavaru had come and he had spoken to you all and he's asked for extortion money and he's asked for the hafta. And the hoteliers were in fact scared into giving the money because it would be the peak time of business when these people used to come into the hotel. Now, this kept on going for a few days. But the hoteliers, what they did is they recorded the events on the CCTV camera, and later they also showed that the manner in which this gang used to threaten the owner of that particular hotel, who has been identified as Wahid. And once the owner, Wahid, got fed up of the kind of torture that he was being meted to, he informed the police along and gave the CCTV footage in which these people had been identified. Now, the police have been able to successfully apprehend some few people from this gang, but not the entire gang. But after which, what we've come to know is that this person who has concealing his identity by covering his head with a helmet attacked the owner's brother and also damaged furniture at his brother's house. So this particular gang has been quite notorious with this, but the biggest question is that the police are asking is whether this particular gang is doing it out of some kind of a game that they are playing, or do they really have some kind of connections with the underworld, Nolan?
Right, and have the police actually now taken them all into custody?
All of them have not been taken into custody. Some of the few people who have been identified in the CCTV footage have been taken into custody, and the interrogation is going on. As I had earlier said, they are trying to figure out whether they really have some connections with the underworld, or is it that a group of youth are playing some kind of a prank on the hoteliers. But at present, because of the one of them, in fact, had attacked the owner's brother, it has become a much more serious case for the police, Nolan.
Right, Varghese, thank you very much for all those details. In fact, the police arrested a gang of people who were into extorting money from management of Diners Paradise. The police from Khadri police station have arrested the accused based on CCTV footage. The culprit, Santosh, along with 8 youth, harassed the owner of the hotel, Wahid. In fact, they did that by dropping the names of people of the Mangalore underworld and extorted money from him. Santosh Raj, along with his friends, used to come to the hotel and binge on the food. He later never paid the bills and extorted money. And there you can see the man with a helmet on his head actually trying to damage the furniture over there. We're told that the owner's brother was hurt in one such incident. Fed up with their game plan, they decided to take action. The owners, that is, they showed this CCTV footage to the police. The police have now taken action.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಲ್ತೆ ಅವು